In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your chart settings in TradingView. Understanding how to adjust these settings will give you greater control over how you view your data, ultimately enhancing your trading or analysis experience. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the TradingView website and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard featuring all your charts and tools. This is your workspace, so feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you're new to the platform. Now let's focus on customizing your chart scale settings. This is an important step as it directly affects how data is displayed on your chart. To get started, locate the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol on your chart. Click on it. This is where you can access a variety of configurable options for your chart. Once inside the settings menu, the next step is to navigate to the scales tab. This is where you can adjust how your chart looks. It's crucial to understand these settings because they help you tailor the chart to meet your specific needs or trading strategy. At this stage, so you'll have a couple of important options to consider. First, you might want to select the log scale option. Switching from a linear to a logarithmic scale can be particularly insightful if you're dealing with datasets where the values span a large range and percentage changes are more relevant than absolute changes. To do this, simply click on the log scale checkbox. This will reconfigure your chart to display price changes in percentage terms, which is especially beneficial for long-term trends or volatile assets. Next, let's talk about axis positioning. Sometimes you might find it helpful to change the position of your chart's axes, and this is where the left-right axis option comes into play. If you're interested in changing where the axes are located on your chart, you can easily adjust this by selecting either left axis or right axis. Some traders prefer having the price axis on the left side of the chart, while others opt for the more traditional right side position. It's all about personal preference and what feels intuitive to you. So experiment with these settings until you find what works best. There you have it, a quick and easy guide to customizing your chart settings on TradingView. By understanding how to configure these options, you can ensure that your charts display data in a way that optimally supports your analysis or trading decisions. Feel free to revisit these settings as your needs evolve. Until next time, happy trading and exploring on TradingView.